Hello everyone and welcome to another Grandink's YouTube video. Today we are painting a soft rose in vase on Grandink's 4x6 inch stretched canvas. These canvases come double primed with gesso, so you can start painting right away, no extra priming needed. This is our 6-inch mini easel, sturdy, smooth finished and perfect for displaying small artworks. And here's our 4-inch easel, compact yet strong. This is our 8-inch easel made from thick durable wood. We also have other sizes available up to 12 inches in the mini easel range. Now let's start painting by mixing brown with a bit of black to create a warm, vintage inspired background. In the center, I'm keeping the tones lighter for a soft Renaissance feel. I'm also painting the edges for a finished look. For the base where the vase rests, I'm using an off-white tone. Then adding a slightly darker shade to create depth and shadow. For the vase, I'm mixing the same shade with a touch of Prussian blue and applying it directly. To create a curved shadow, I'm adding a darker mix with a bit of black and then blending it smoothly using a clean brush. Adding a little white gives the vase a soft round effect and natural glow. For the rose, I have mixed white with a bit of yellow for the base petals. I have used crimson with white for mid-tones to bring depth. A slightly darker shade helps define the petal edges and adds realism. For the leaves, I'm mixing sap green with dark brown for shadows. adding a touch touch of yellow to highlight the lighter areas. Here's our finished rose in vase, displayed beautifully on Grandink's mini easel. Thank you for watching and happy creating with Grandink.